Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. Exercise can not only increase the amount of muscle or lean mass you have on your body and support your bone density, but researchers have recently learned that even a modest amount of exercise, just 10 minutes a day, helps the body tag old worn-out muscle tissue and replace it with new youthful muscle tissue. So this is another important way that regular exercise reverses the aging process and keeps our bodies more functional as the years go by. This new research indicates that a person who exercises not only is likely to maintain their leaner muscle mass as the years go by, but also that the muscle tissue they have on their body is much younger than that of a sedentary person who may have the same amount of muscle tissue on their body. And younger muscle tissue will always perform better than older muscle tissue. It's less prone to tears and injuries. It heals better if an injury occurs, and it adapts much better to unexpected exertional challenges that can occur during your lifetime. This important discovery, published in March of 2020, stems from the research performed at the University of Copenhagen and in collaboration with colleagues at the University of Sydney, Australia, where muscle biopsy and blood samples were examined before and after human subjects performed a 10-minute ride on a stationary bike at an intense pace. The researchers showed that an exercise session as short as 10 minutes can stimulate the action of an enzyme called ubiquitin, which attaches itself or tags old worn-out muscle tissue. And this tagging process sets into motion the process of breaking down old, worn-out muscle tissue and stimulates the body to produce new, more youthful, highly functional muscle tissue to replace it. This is yet another way that a modest amount of regular exercise can slow and or reverse certain aspects of the aging process and keep us more vital and functional. If you exercise regularly, the muscle tissue you have on your body is chronologically younger than that of a person with the same amount of muscle tissue who is sedentary. So I've included the references for this information in the text below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.